Hello, our dear student, first year secondary. Today we are going to meet again. We are going to express and explain together some important part of grammar. It's about modal verbs. We use the modal verbs for many things. One of these uses are deduction. What does it mean, deduction? Deduction, it means that you are nearly sure. You are nearly understand something, you have an evidence, but you can express it in present and you can express it in the past. If you want to express it in present, how can you do that? Let's see together. Nearly certain, it means that you have an evidence, you are sure, surely, certain, certainly, or definitely. Okay? In past and present, first we'll have the present. If you are sure of something in present, what can you say? Yes, you can say must plus infinitive or can't plus infinitive, right? Let's have example. He has got 3 cars and a villa. That is the evidence. Someone has got 3 cars and a villa. What do you understand from this? Is he rich or poor? Of course, rich. So you can say he must be rich. Right? Must be. Another example. The room is shiny and tidy. What does it mean? It means that the room must be cleaned every day. And be careful, must be plus PP. Because it's passive, must be cleaned. Someone must clean it. Right? Another example. He has got 3 cars and a villa. It is the same like the first one, but there is little difference. And instead of rich, we use poor. Someone has got 3 cars and a villa. Is he poor? No, of course not. He can't be poor. Another sentence. There is a lot of dust. You enter the room and you see a lot of dust on the floor, for example. What does it mean? Someone clean it? No, of course. No one clean it, so you can say the room can't be cleaned. Can't be. Instead of must be, you say can't be. Also, can't be plus PP, it's passive in present. What about the past? If you want to express deduction in the past, how can you say it? We are going to use the same words, must and can't. But because they are in the past, there is little change. Let's see. Must have plus PP or couldn't have plus PP. Must have plus PP, can't have plus PP, or couldn't have plus PP. Let's discuss a sentence together, but please try to understand clearly the meaning. It is the first thing. All lights were off. All lights of the house were off. What does it mean? It means that they must have slept. And be careful in the past, they must have slept. Write another sentence. All lights were on. And be careful, take care that on and off are the opposite. All lights were on. Were they slept? No. They can't have slept. Right? Another sentence. The window is broken. You looked at a window of somewhere and you saw it broken. What does it mean? It means that the thief must have entered. The thief must have entered. And be careful, must have plus PP. It's in the past. The same sentence but with another meaning. All windows are barred. You know the word barred. Closed, shut carefully, or closed with bars. What does it mean? It means that the thief can't have entered. Impossible. That's right. It's impossible that the thief enter from that barred windows. Another example. The fridge is empty. You opened your fridge at home and looked everywhere. You didn't find anything, any food, you didn't find anything at all. What happened? Yeah, all food must have been eaten. And be careful of have been eaten. That's passive. Must have been eaten. Right? Another sentence. Okay? The teacup is full. Someone gives you a tea cup and you left it for a long time. So someone saw it and it was full. What does he or she understand? Means that the coffee or the tea or any drink can't have been drunk. Can't or couldn't, the same meaning. Can't have been drunk and also passive in the past. Okay? That's enough for today for our lesson. Till we meet again, wishing you all happiness with your teacher, Mr. Saber. Thank you for listening carefully. Bye for now.